Hello, humans. I am Professor BBuri. Today, we study dog age. In Korean, nae means age. Nae, please say it carefully. Nae. Age is not just a number. Age is body. Age is brain. Age is energy. Age is patience. Age is fear. Age is sleep. Age is health. Many humans look at a dog and say, he is still my baby. This is sweet, but sometimes it is not accurate. A dog can be cute and still be changing. A dog can be small and still be old. A dog can look calm and still be hurting. This is why humans must understand nae. Humans count time slowly. 1 year for a human is just 1 year, but for a dog, 1 year can be a huge chapter. A puppy changes very quickly. The body grows. The brain grows. The world becomes bigger. Sounds become important. Smells become messages. Rules begin to matter. Fear can appear. Confidence can appear. Bad habits can appear. Good habits can also appear. Humans often say, he is only a puppy. Yes, but a puppy is not an empty toy. A puppy is a small student. Very soft student, very fast student, sometimes very loud student. And if humans do not teach the student will still learn. Maybe from humans, maybe from other dogs, maybe from the floor, maybe from the trash can. The trash can is a very dangerous professor. Please do not let the trash can teach your puppy. Young dogs are busy. Their bodies change, their emotions change, their confidence changes, their teeth change, their energy changes. Humans may think, my puppy was calm yesterday. Why is he wild today? But a young dog is not a machine. A young dog is a moving construction site. Brain under construction, body under construction, manners under construction, patience under construction. This is why early experience matters, gentle handling matters, safe social experience matters, routine matters, sleep matters, clear rules matter. If a young dog jumps, chews, runs, barks, or forgets yesterday's lesson, this does not always mean the dog is stubborn. It may mean, I am young, I am learning, I have too much energy. I do not understand yet. I need help succeeding. In Korean, you can say, 강아지는 나쁘지 않아요. It means, the dog is not bad. 강아지는 나쁘지 않아요. The dog is learning. Professor BBuri's summary. A puppy is not a tiny criminal. A puppy is a student with teeth. Some students eat homework. Now, next lesson. Humans also misunderstand teenage dogs. This is where many humans say, my dog suddenly forgot everything. But maybe the dog did not forget. Maybe the dog became a teenager. Class continues. Now we study teenage dogs. This is a difficult subject. Please be brave. A young dog may look almost grown, but inside, the dog may still be learning control. Humans see a bigger body and expect adult behavior. This is a mistake. A dog can have adult legs and a puppy brain. A dog can have strong teeth and weak patience. A dog can hear your words and still make terrible decisions. This is not evil, this is development. Teenage dogs test the world, they test distance, they test rules, they test doors, they test shoes, they test whether chicken on the table is protected by law. I have done research. The law is unclear, but Professor BBuri is not a lawyer. Today, we stay with behavior. During this stage, humans should not panic. They should not only say, bad dog. They should ask, what does my dog need right now? More exercise, more rest, clearer routine, better reward timing, safer environment, less freedom too soon. Teenage dogs need guidance, not anger. Papa once looked at me and said, BBuri, why are you acting like this? I looked back at him, very serious. I wanted to say, Papa, I am not acting like this. I am being this age. But Papa did not understand. He thought behavior came from my attitude. Many humans do this. They see behavior and judge personality. But sometimes, behavior is not personality. Behavior is age. Behavior is energy. Behavior is pain. Behavior is fear. Behavior is confusion. Before you judge 행동, you must understand 나이. Nae means age. 행동 means behavior. Age can change behavior. Please write this down. Now we study adult dogs. Adult dogs are often more stable. They may know routines. They may understand the house. They may know what time food comes. They may know which human drops snacks. This information is important, but adult dogs still need care. They need exercise. They need mental work. They need clear communication. They need play. They need rest. They need humans who notice change. Many humans think, my adult dog is fine. He knows everything. But even adult dogs can develop new fears. A sound that was fine before may become scary. A place that was easy before may become difficult. A behavior that appears suddenly may have a reason. Do not only ask, what is wrong with my dog? Ask, what changed? New house, new schedule, new person, new dog. Less exercise, more noise, pain. Dogs do not write diaries, they write with behavior. Humans must learn to read. Professor Buri's summary. Adult does not mean finished. Adult means still alive, still learning, still changing. A dog is not a statue. Even a very fluffy statue would need snacks. Now, next lesson. Senior dogs. This is important, because many humans miss the first signs. Now we study senior dogs. This lesson is serious. A senior dog may sleep more. A senior dog may move slowly. A senior dog may stop jumping. A senior dog may not hear you. A senior dog may not see well. A senior dog may become confused at night. A senior dog may drink more water. A senior dog may need to go outside more often. A senior dog may need become less interested in things he loved before. Humans may say, he is just old. But Professor BBuri says, please be careful with that sentence. Old is not a diagnosis. Old is a life stage. Changes in eating, drinking, walking, sleeping, weight, pain, interest, or bathroom habits can be important information. In Korean, you can say, 강아지가 나이를 먹었어요. It means the dog is getting older, but also remember, 병원에 가야 해요. It means we need to go to the vet. Not for every small thing. But when behavior changes suddenly, or when the dog looks uncomfortable, humans should not guess forever. Ask a professional. Dogs hide discomfort. We are brave. Also, we cannot make appointments. That is the human job. Please do this instead. For puppies, teach gently. Give routine. Make the environment safe. Reward good choices. Give safe social experience. Do not expect adult patience from a baby brain. For teenage dogs, stay consistent. Do not panic. Do not give too much freedom too soon. Reward calm behavior. Use management. Protect shoes. Protect chicken. Protect your own heart. For adult dogs, keep training simple. Keep exercise regular. Keep the brain active. Notice changes. Do not assume everything is attitude. For senior dogs, slow down. Be gentle. Watch for pain. Watch for confusion. Watch for appetite changes. Watch for water changes. Visit the vet when needed. In Korean, you can say, 천천히 해주세요. It means, please do it slowly. This is a beautiful sentence. 천천히 해주세요. Please do it slowly. Good for puppies. Good for scared dogs. Good for senior dogs. Good for Papa when he opens chicken box. Very important. Today's Korean word is 나이. 나이 means age. Today's main Korean sentence is 강아지가 나이를 먹었어요. It means the dog is getting older. You can also say 강아지는 나쁘지 않아요. The dog is not bad. 강아지가 피곤해요. The dog is tired. 천천히 해주세요. Please do it slowly. 기다려주세요. Please wait. These sentences are not only Korean. They are kindness. Small words. Better humans. Safer dogs. Professor BBuri approves. Today's class is finished. Please remember, dogs grow faster than humans think. Puppies are learning. Teenage dogs are changing. Adult dogs still need guidance. Senior dogs need patience and attention. Before you judge behavior, ask, how old is the dog? What stage of life is this? What has changed? What does the dog need? A dog is not being bad just because behavior changed. Sometimes, age is speaking. Dogs are not machines. Dogs are not toys. Dogs are not the same dog forever. Dogs are living with time. Humans must learn to notice. I am Professor BBuri, class dismissed. Next class, before you bring a puppy home. Humans think adoption starts at the door. But for a puppy, the whole world changes before the first night. Please prepare. Professor BBuri will inspect your house.